Hello all, welcome to another quick learning. Today we're doing the regular expressions tutorial at regex 1. So if you're joining this in the middle of the playlist, I'll put a link in the description below. So you can go to the first video if you wish. Otherwise, we're going to go ahead and get started. So we're on the practice problems that are actually at the end of the tutorial. This is problem 2, matching phone numbers. Validating phone numbers is another tricky task depending on the type of input that you get. Having phone numbers from out of the state, which requires an area code, or international numbers, which requires a prefix, will add complexity to the regular expression, as does the individual preferences that people have for entering phone numbers. Some put dashes or whitespace, others do not, for example. Below are a few phone numbers that you might encounter when using real data. Write a single regular expression that matches the number and captures the proper area code. All right, so you can see there's a couple of different formats here. Some of them just have dashes between the different number segments. Here's the area code and then the two segments of the number. And then sometimes people will put a parenthesis around the area code, or I guess just spaces. I haven't seen this format before. And in some cases, they may put the country code, which for the US is 1. Or just put no spaces or dashes at all. All right, so I'm actually going to grab the solution here, and we'll work off of that and just explain what's going on. First, simple. So is the country code, which is 1. This is optional, so this doesn't have to be there. In some cases, it'll be there. Sometimes it won't. So that captures that. The second part is a bracket. So if it's a bracket, that means it could be one of the different elements that are in the bracket. So you can see dash S, if you look over the cheat sheet, dash S is any white space. So you can see in this one, you got 1 and then you got white space. So if there's white space, it captures that. Or if there's a dash, then it will capture that. So if there's a 1 and then a dash, that'll capture that. And again, this is optional because it might not be there. All right, and then we have this part here, sorry. This is actually the escape character because the parenthesis is a special character within regular expressions, so you need to put the escape character if you want to match a parenthesis. So this is creating an optional parenthesis as the next character. So you can see in this case we've got parentheses, so that would capture this first parenthesis. And then within that, after that, we have this here, which is a group that is capturing the area code. So in this group, we've got dash D, which you look at the cheat sheet is any digit. So any digit, and there's going to be 3 of those digits. So an area code is always 3 digits long. So this is capturing those area codes. So you can see the first one's 415, then 650, etc. All right, and then this part, again, this is another optional parenthesis. Again, you need the escape character because the parenthesis is a special character. And then we've got this again, which it can be either white space or a dash. And then we've got 3 digits. And then we've got white space or a dash, that's optional again. And then we'll have finally 4 digits. So that is the regular expression. So it looks pretty intimidating, but once you break it down, you can see what all the elements are and how they all fit together. All right, hope you guys are able to follow along with that, and you'll join me for future videos. Please subscribe if you want to see more on this topic or on Python or Excel or other things like that. All right, thank you very much.